How do you determine the selling price of your home? The best way to set a selling price or listing price for your home is via a comparative market analysis, otherwise known as a CMA. Now you can get that from a competent real estate professional. Now, CMA takes these factors into consideration: current sold, listed, and expired listings in your area, the number of bedroom, bathrooms, and square footage, any other necessary repairs or renovations that might have been recently done or might be needed. Together, this information can give you a strong indication of your home's fair market value. You can also use your home's tax assessed value, though those are likely different, but that can give you a gauge. There are also a myriad of online tools where you can find out an online estimate. But keep in mind, those companies that are providing those online estimates have not been inside your home. So you definitely want to contact a competent real estate professional. But when choosing your price, remember that this list price and the final sales price sometimes may differ. Now, depending on your home and market conditions, it can be strategically advantageous to price your home lower than market value in order to attract more interest and a higher number of offers.